Welcome and welcome to my next travel vlog. And today we're going to see the magnificent Vasundhara Sarovar Premier Resorts near Alapula and Kumarakom. இந்த resort வந்து இந்த கேரளா பேக்வாட்டர்ஸில் இருக்குங்க. ஆலப்புழாக்கும் குமரக்கம்க்கும் கொச்சின்க்கும் exactly 45 minutes drive, right in the middle. And the way this resort is constructed is absolutely beautiful. They have the floating cottages, uh, the luxury boat houses, and then the regular rooms. And they also have a 200-old heritage villa, which is also available, that is right on the banks of the backwaters. And before we start the vlog, let me give a quick shout out to my wife's tour agency, VL Holidays. This Vasundhara Sarovar is part of a handful of luxury resorts that we have picked to offer as a signature offering to our high net worth clients across South India. Why? Because primarily our rates are special rates, a bigger discount on what you would find in other portals on the internet. Plus, you get VIP hospitality because most of our clients are HNIs, and you would be treated likewise. Also, we offer concierge services if you would like special requests like getting the bed decorated for a honeymoon, having a candlelight dinner. You always get a welcome drink when you travel with us, and also special check-in check-out times if that is needed. So specifically tailor-made experience holidays. So Vasundhara Sarovar is also part of it, and if you see, our rates are at least 10, 15, sometimes 20% cheaper than what's available in the market. I'm going to give you the contact details in the description. Do contact us and have a wonderful vacation. So let's move on to the room tour. And we picked the most expensive room. So if you see, this is a floating cottage. It's an artificial pond, and then if you see, this is tied to the land, and it's a floating cottage basically. So let's see how it is inside. So this is a garden area, by the way. The first time I went there, it looked very similar to the Fisherman's Cove. The ECR இல்லைங்களா Fisherman's Cove, அதே மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு வெளியே இருக்கிற இடம்லாம். பட் உள்ளே வந்தோம்னா this is a special room. So this is the pond. These waters are deep. அங்கே வந்து ஒரு அட்லீஸ்ட் 10-15 அடிக்கு இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். And first up, sorry for doing it in a portrait mode because I didn't realize we had to do it landscape. So as soon as you enter the room, you have a good bed, a work area. I don't know who works on a vacation in a floating cottage, but so here's a little honeymoon decor they did on a very short notice. And the special thing is this. They have a jacuzzi, which is quite a plunge pool size, easily can fit in a family of 4 or 5. But that's the specialty of the room. And as I've said before in my earlier travel vlog, private pools and jacuzzis are underrated. Always choose one whenever there is an option available in any resort. Now let me show you the morning view. You get out of the bed, there's a jacuzzi over the plate in, and then this is the view that you get. The mini pond, and then right behind the coconut trees, that's the backwater. I'll show you a bigger photo. So this is the backwater. This is quite a large area of backwater. Unfortunately, நாங்கள் ஒரு நவம்பர் டிசம்பர் மாதம் போயிருந்தோம், டிசம்பர் மாதம் actually, right after the rains, and when there's a lot of fresh water, you get a lot of weeds. And once summer comes and the salt water நிறைய கலந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா, the weeds will disappear with themselves, and then you get the beautiful view that I showed you in the thumbnail, the first photo that I showed you. And outside the room you have quite a few activities. Walking, cycling area. They give a cycle that you can cycle around the property. It's almost a kilometer, I think, the circumference. So it's a good place to cycle. அப்புறம் அந்த பாண்டில் வந்து போட்டிங் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ அந்த காட்டேஜுக்கு வெளியே அந்த பேடல் போட்டில் இருந்தப்போ எடுத்த வீடியோ இது. So as I told you, the pond is about 10 to 15 feet deep, so you can boat around. You get to see ducks. You can also fish. I'll show you the fishing video as well. Bye bye. ஸோ இதாங்க அந்த ஃபிஷிங் ஏரியா. இந்த பாண்டில் ஃபிஷ் இருக்கனால இட்ஸ் a good activity for kids and anyone to do, quite relaxing. ஆனால் இந்த குட்டி மீன் தான் பிடிக்க விடுவாங்க. Not something that you can eat, so you catch it and then you put it back in the pond. There are larger fishes, but they don't allow you to catch them. So apart from the floating cottage, you also have this 200-year-old house. This is they built the resort around this, and they've retained this beautiful old house, which you can also rent out for a stay. And then you have the famous luxury houseboats, which is predominantly used for honeymoons. And this is quite a luxury boat. You actually have a jacuzzi on the deck, beautifully furnished room, and it's definitely a must stay at least for one night. This houseboat. And then you have a place to do the yoga. They also have a spa, and then they have the old Kerala temple where they do puja twice a day. And not to forget the delicious Kerala meals that's also available here. Coconut oil appalam, the policha mean, curry mean, they say. That's packed in a banana leaf and fried in coconut oil. Absolutely delicious. And we had a special exclusive candlelight dinner with an exclusive menu. And to top it off, we had a beautiful surprise. And that was it. So we had 2 lovely days in this absolutely lovely property. Don't miss it, come enjoy, and of course don't forget to contact BL Holidays for the best prices. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon on my next travel vlog. Bye bye.